So here I am outside my room at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House. If you see behind me, it is the beautiful lobby, which I'll give you a view of that in 1 second. And then behind me over here now is my room, which I'll show you right now. So right outside our room, we have a view of the beautiful lobby. It's one of my favorite lobbies on property. Sorry for all the glares. It's kind of dark, as you can tell over there. Those windows lead to outside. It is quite late, but I thought I'd give you a tour before we get fully unpacked and moved in. But the lobby is just absolutely stunning. And then if we turn right around, we're gonna find room number 5104, which is our room. So this is what our door looks like. Again, it's so dark. I'm so sorry. So we'll go ahead and scan in. There we go. So again, that's our door. So they're gonna close behind us. We have the evacuation plan as always. We have a light switch, our locks. So it does have a double lock. So there's one down here and one up here. And of course you need the magic band to get in. Immediately over here to my left-hand side, we have our closet. So this is quite a large closet. So the first door, we have some extra blankets, I believe, down there, and some hanging space along with a shelf up top. And if we close that door and open the other side of the sliding closet, well, there's not much. It's kind of a wall. But you could, I guess, get into the first side. And then next to that, there is one that opens this way. So I already have some bags down there, but some shelves. You have your safe. The room actually comes with a steamer now, which is really cool. I prefer a steamer over an iron. And then another shelf up top as well. And then if I turn all the way around, there's Emily. So there's back our main door. That's the first part of the closet. We have this full-length mirror. Hello, it's me. We're just getting back from the parks, so we look a little rough. And this mirror is actually the sliding door into the bathroom, so I won't close it just yet. So if you come in here, we have a beautiful Hakuna Matata print. We got our towels, our towel rack, our big mirror. We have lots of space in here. There's space on the bottom, there's space right here. It comes with the blow dryer. It is the double sink, which is phenomenal. We have our H2O products, and you know, I've never actually seen a Disney resort give you mouthwash, so that's new. And then what's this? A vanity kit contains a collection of beauty essentials. I've never seen that either, or the shower cap, but that is really cool. So you get body lotion, mouthwash, shower cap, vanity kit, and facial soap. You got your tissues. You have this makeup mirror that pulls out. It's got the side that is magnified, and you can also put a light on for that, which is really cool. So it helps do your makeup in the morning. Lots of outlets we love. And then if you turn this way, got another little hanging rack there. And we go through this door, which also closes. Okay, so Emily actually just taught me how to use this door. So if you're dumb like me, here you go. So it was hidden in the wall. I can't even get it to go back to where it was. There we go. So it locks in place. And then if you want to open it, you push the little button and a handle comes out so you can pull it shut. So the toilet and the shower are separate from the vanity area. So then in here we have a beautiful shower. Honestly, this is gorgeous. Shut that again. A nice walk-in shower. We have our H2O products, a shelf, a little ledge, and then one of the most gorgeous shower heads I've ever seen. Very reflective in here, or reflective, oh my goodness, not the right word. Very echoey. We have our towels, some more shelves in here, and of course the toilet. And then there's the door shut behind me. So I'm just gonna open that back up and lock her into place. There we go. So then exiting the bathroom, you go straight. This is the closet situation. And then this here is like, I guess your little kitchenette. So we got a Keurig, your icebox, some more shelving. I love, there's so much storage in this hotel. We have a drawer with all your coffee essentials, including, of course, everybody's favorite, Joffrey's. If you come to Disney and don't drink Joffrey's, there's something wrong with you. And then down in this bottom compartment right here is a little, what do they call these now, Emily? It's not a fridge, it's like a cooling box, I guess is what they call it. So it doesn't get quite cold enough to be considered a fridge, but it does keep things cold. And it just gets hidden away behind that cupboard. We have our garbage and recycle along with our luggage rack. And on the wall above it, we have these beautiful decor. So I'm gonna back up a little bit so that you can see. So right now I'm standing between the closet and the bathroom door. And here is the rest of our rooms. We have 2 queen beds and then we have our TV situation. So we'll go over to the beds first. So again, another piece of beautiful artwork on the wall, our thermostat, boring things like that. Here's the first bed. I absolutely love the bed frames. And then of course there are little side tables next to every bed. There's little bedside lamps. Oh, that's cute. I just discovered this. Okay, look it. So this light pulls out and you have like a little reading light attached to your bed. So they have those on both sides of all the beds. And then you have your outlet situation, which is great. Lots of USBs, lots of outlets. Coming over to the second bed. In between the 2 beds, we have a little nightside table, more outlets. This controls the lights, I believe. Oh, yep, there we go. Some up lights. Oh, more lights. Good night. Oh, they all turn off. Oh my goodness. Sorry. This is the first time staying in this hotel in 10 years and I've never seen that at a Disney hotel. That's so cute. So these control the lights and from your bed, you can control all the lights. And if you hit good night, yeah, we gotta turn some more lights on. Everything will turn off. So that's really cool. We have our phone, our remote, Bible in the drawer, more space there. Second bed, same thing. It also has the reading lights, which is really awesome. You just pull up and you have a light. Second bed's the same thing. And then on the other side, it has the little table and the outlets as well. One thing I really love about these new beds in the resorts is there is plenty of space underneath to store all of your things. So there's my huge checked bag that fits very nicely under the bed for when I'm not using it. Over this way we have the curtains, which is the double set of curtains to keep it nice and dark, and it's really frosty. I'm not sure why, but this is our balcony. So I'm gonna unlock that and head out there. We have like the worst view ever. So we do have, oh, it's so hard to see. So it's really hard to see. Oh, you can't even, trying to shine a flashlight on it, but it literally is doing nothing. Just take my word for it. There's a couple of chairs out here and then there's this big wall, which is about eye level. And if we peek out over the wall, you can see there's all roof down here. And then there's the drive up drop off area over in front, right over there. I'll try to get a better clip in the morning, but not really a view of anything. We didn't get the Savannah view, or it's just a standard view. So I'm totally okay with it. Coming back in now over here. So we've got closet, coffee maker. Moving on this way, we've got the tables. So it's a table with 2 chairs, really cute. And another mirror, so if you like to look at yourself, this is a great resort. And we got a little light on top. And then moving on again, so we're back to the center of the room. We've got our TV and we've got more outlets on both of these. So one set here with 2 USBs and 2 outlets and one right there. And then there are 6 drawers. They're quite small. Emily, could you open a drawer for me so I can get the whole thing in? So they're not super big, but they're good enough. There's 6 of them, so at least you can spread your stuff out pretty good. And it also comes with a nice Disney Conservation Fund book. So that's really cute. So we love that. So then I'll give you one more last little overview, but that is basically it for a standard view 2 queen bed, like the most basic room you can pretty much get at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House. So that's what we've got.